Hello, my friends. Today I'm going to share my mom's favorite summer treats. Peach with Perilla and Ginger. This dish is popular in southern China. First, let me pick some Perilla leaves. Now we need some baby ginger. Dear loves to eat my ginger too. Oh, the protagonist is our peach. Let me climb the tree to pick some peach. Don't worry, I was the best tree climber among my childhood friends. Rub peach with salt. After rinsing with water 3 times, wipe off the surface moisture with paper. Cut peach into 8 pieces. Sprinkle salt over perilla leaves. Softly knead the leaves to remove harshness. Discard the dark purple water. Repeat one more time so we will get beautiful bright purple color. Now, let's move these ingredients to the jar. If you don't have the preserved plum, don't worry about it. You can also use normal ginger, but use less please. Seal it and keep it in refrigerator for 2 days. Please turn the jar around twice a day. Oh, wonderful fragrance. Sweet and sour with elegant aroma of perilla and ginger. It's delicious with lovely pink color. Oh, this is good summer memory. I hope you will also like it.